Alright guys, welcome back. Before we get started, just want to go over some of the products that we used during this process. This is the Amsoil 75w140 gear oil and the pump. There you see the pump installed on the quart. The pump I got from Amazon, special made pump for Amsoil. This is it right here, a little bit over 13 bucks. It's just designed to go over the wider neck. Here you can see the ridiculous pricing on Amazon for the oil. So you definitely do not want to purchase this oil on Amazon. Do like I did and go straight to amsoil.com. As you can see right here, 75w140 severe gear is what it's called. And you can see the price down below, $20.10 per quart. Still very expensive, but definitely worth every penny, especially when we're talking the PTU. Also guys, don't forget about thread sealant. These drain plugs do not come with any kind of washer, so it is very important that you use thread sealant as pictured here. Alright guys, here we go with the draining of the PTU. Got my nephew Serge under the Ford Edge again. And just need a bigger ratchet. Get some more torque on it. Try to pull out the drain plug here. Not very difficult, but I didn't have any ramps. So it does make things a little bit harder, especially for recording. This is why this video is not a actual how-to video, but instead just documenting changing the oil on a PTU, and really just wanted to show you guys what the oil looks like after about 20,000 miles. And they recommend at 30.
Yeah, another plastic one too?
No. Why? It says that far away?
A little bit.
Nah, you got it. Wait, this is not even...
No, like this way.
Oh, you need it more this way?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I got that big ass one, but you don't think it's gonna reach right there? Nah, you cool. Man.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe because I got an angle.
Yeah. The two holes got. That's nice looking fluid. Wait, huh? Give me this. Yeah. It looks nice and blonde. That's what there is some shit on the plug. Not, you see that? I just moved it with my fucking thumb. Oh yeah, move your hand. See if I can see that. That shit is still like super watery. Well, that was. Let's see, what the fuck did they put in there? Nah, that's shit does look like water. I think I can't remember, is that Valvoline or Mobil 1 these fuckers used in there? But yeah, look at this crap right here. You see it on my thumb. So there was some gunk starting to build up on there. But yeah, like I said, we changed this at like 50 something thousand miles, and right now it's at like 70 something. So it hasn't reached 30 yet, but I wanted to make sure that we fucking change it ahead of time and get that Amsoil in there. Fucking $15 a quart, something like that, for extreme. Anyway, we should probably like drop the jack and let it drip for a cool little while, no? Like take a quick little break. Let that motherfucker do his thing and
just kick me if I'm in your way. Marco, get out the way, mijo. There she is. I'm gonna go around and get a better shot. I'm gonna go underneath and try to get a better shot. So, it's raining right there. PTU. And yeah, it's right behind the fucking oil plug. That does look pretty fucking clean, actually. Not bad, man, for 20 something. I think we probably could have gone another 20 with it like that. It looks clean, but I didn't want to fucking risk it. And then the fucking fill plug, god damn, man. I ain't even gonna. Was the fill plug on the left or on the right?
Right.
On that side?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I'm not seeing it. Okay, yeah, above this, right above this sensor back there. I can't fucking even get back there. Let me try, I guess.
How much was this like, dude?
Fucking like 20 bucks, I think. Yeah, I can't even see it. I'm just gonna leave it alone. But anyway, yeah, that's the drip. All right, that's what the oil looked like coming out of the PTU right there. Still clean, but there is some like shit in there. But I think we got most of the. I think some of the shit you see in this oil was from the last old chick, que queda ahí, right?
Yeah.
So now we kind of flushed most of that out. Now it's gonna be the gold shit going in there. All right, well, how was that? Looks pretty clean. Yeah. All right, so this shit took just about the whole quart. See that 1 quart? It's just whatever's left in the actual tube. There's just a little bit. The tube is full right now, so it's just whatever's in the tube, but the actual the bottle is empty. So that's how much it's gonna take.